girls, it's Wednesday and we're gonna do our writer's workshop. So get your writer workshop book out and you're gonna go to the page Mr. D and it should say Wednesday 10/21 right there. So, and today, because Mr. B's been teaching us all about sharing, right? That's what we're gonna learn this week. So we are gonna draw a picture of how we could share. So what do you think? How can we share? If I have two toys, what do you think I can do? And I have a friend that doesn't have any. Do you think I can give that friend one of my toys and share it? Would that make him happy? It would make me happy too because we both got something to play with. So I think I'm going to draw that. I'm going to draw me here. And I'm going to draw my friend over here. And he's going to have a smile on his face, and so am I, because I am going to share one of my basketballs with him. So we both have basketballs. And so after you draw your picture, you're going to tell your mom or dad or someone in your family how you can share and what picture you drew so they can write your words. So I'm going to put, I can share by letting my friend use my basketball. And it made him happy and me. It made us both happy. So there's all kinds of ways we can share. You could share some food, you can share your toys, you can even share your feelings and how you're feeling. So go ahead and talk to your mom and dad and think about what you want to draw and draw us a picture. All right, see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye-bye.